Welcome to the FCSS Community Impact Tool, the flexible interactive site that demonstrates the effectiveness of support services across Alberta and how great our impact can be when we combine our efforts. In this video, you'll learn about the two main types of pages on the site: the Alberta View page with data on the entire province, and the filters you can apply to get data relevant to your needs. The 5 provincial prevention priority pages and the research summaries you can find on each page, along with specific use case examples showing you how to use the impact tool for whatever your immediate needs are. On the homepage, the first thing you'll see is province-wide data on the percentage of participants who experienced positive change thanks to programs, the total number of programs, total volunteers, and an introduction to each of the 5 provincial priority pages. Learn about how aging well in the community benefits everyone. You can click Explore Priority to see the full page, or scroll down to learn about promoting positive mental health, preventing family and sexual violence, preventing homelessness and housing insecurity, programming to enhance employability. But first, scroll to the top of the page and select Explore Support at a glance. Section 1. Support at a glance. The Alberta View page displays province-wide information on the total number of volunteers, volunteer hours, and total number of program participants, along with a breakdown of demographics and how many people participated in programs related to each prevention priority. You can hover over each circle to select that priority and click the arrow to learn more about it at a higher level. But perhaps most importantly, you can find data on the impact programming has on real Albertans, like how many people experienced positive change, and data on overall social well-being. You can also see a breakdown of how programs were delivered to those participants. In the Our Story section, photos and phrases submitted by participants across the province are on display, giving you a sense of the difference our programs can make in people's lives. To share this page with Alberta-wide information, select Share Our Impact and choose the platform of your choice. Or you can screenshot information from the site to include in your presentation deck if needed. Beyond province-wide data, the Alberta View page allows you to apply filters to refine the information on display. Select a location or multiple locations, a demographic group or groups, a single or multiple prevention priorities, and program delivery method. With filters applied, you can now see data relevant to your specific needs. And when you select Share Our Impact, the link will send users to the page with the same filters you've selected. At the bottom of all pages on the site, you can navigate to a provincial priority page by clicking Explore Provincial Priority. Section 2. Explore a provincial priority page. The provincial priority pages provide an in-depth look at research findings on each of the priorities and how they're impacting Albertans. In short, the combined efforts of all FCSS programs are on display. Depending on your particular needs, you can look at high-level data, such as how many people were reached with programming connected to this priority. If you need more in-depth information, select Read How We Help. You can see how we're making a positive impact on the lives of Albertans, and read about our impact from real people. Need more information about the prevention priority? Hover over each circle and click on the arrow to learn about how the provincial strategy is being implemented. If you want to share this provincial prevention priority page, click Share Our Impact. You can also screenshot sections to use in your own presentation documents. From here, you can choose another priority page to explore, or use the floating navigation to navigate back to the Alberta View page. Section 3. Specific Use Cases. Are you interested in showing the impact of current programming in order to secure funding? Navigate to the Alberta View page and select the filters that apply to you. For example, let's say you're in the city of Edmonton and require information related to adult preventive programming to support employment. Apply the filters, and from here, you can find the most relevant information for your needs and screenshot it. Or go to Share Our Impact to share the page with filters applied to provide a full picture of your impact to your audience. Are you interested in informing a political group at any level about the needs in your region? For example, you need to demonstrate to City Council that programming for employment is being utilized in the province, but there is a greater need for services. Start by navigating to the Employment Provincial Priority page. You can use the research findings displayed on this page to demonstrate the effectiveness of employment services and highlight the number of participants in different age groups. If you need to highlight how well FCSS employment programs connect to provincial prevention strategies, select the circle relevant to your needs, click the arrow, and screenshot the section. Whatever page you're using to highlight the impact of FCSS programs for your audience, you can always use the share buttons at the bottom to create a link for the social media site you require. Thanks for watching. Now you're ready to share our impact. Get started at impact.fcssaa.org.